Today we will be playing some Handless Millionaire Season 2. I have Season 1, we'll do that round next. So let's have a play. I played this before. So you have to try to grab the money before the blade cuts you. Like this. I'll show you. So a bit simple. It gets harder though. So just be careful. And for the first one you need like an adult flash play or something. But if you just want to play it normally like this, just get number 2. So I'm not doing it on that. There. There we go. Done. Round 4. This is the bit I'm stuck on. Crud. No! Dropped off my hand. Crud. Play. Crap again. Don't worry, I'll repair my feet. So let's go. I mean my hands, not my feet. Last goddamn one if I die. Yes, done. Round 4 finally. Oh man. So I can do this, I believe. So let's go. Oh my god, not again. So that's about all the time we have today, but I know it was a short video, but I'll see you next video, I guess. So, bye.